the desk.
The clerk will designate the amendment.
Amendment number 8, printed in Part C of House Report number 111-506, offered by Mr. Driehaus of Ohio.
Pursuant to House Resolution 1436, the gentleman from Ohio, Mr. Driehaus, and a member opposed each will control 5 minutes. The chair recognizes the gentleman from Ohio.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I yield myself as much time as I may consume.
Gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We know that small businesses account for the majority of new jobs created in this country, and we know that making it easier for small businesses to borrow is essential to our continued economic recovery. This legislation will help small businesses access the credit they need to create the jobs that will move our economy forward. But we need to provide strong oversight to ensure that these loans are being put to use where they're most effective, and put to use in a way that's responsible to the American taxpayer. The amendment I have offered with my colleagues from Virginia and Kansas will establish the Office of Small Business Lending Fund Oversight under the authority of the Treasury Inspector General. The Special Deputy Inspector General of the Oversight Office will be required to monitor the Small Business Loan Fund and report to Congress at least twice a year with recommendations for improving the program. This amendment is about good government. It places no additional burdens on banks or small businesses. Instead, it makes a good bill better by ensuring accountability and transparency to the American people. We've seen what happens when government fails to provide adequate protections, when special interests are put ahead of the public good. Now we're taking steps to make up for the years of lax oversight and neglected responsibility. Make no mistake, this bill is about creating jobs. Small business owners tell me constantly that they could begin hiring again if only they had access to credit and capital. This legislation will encourage banks to lend to small businesses, and my amendment will help protect taxpayers in the process. This bill will strengthen our economic recovery without adding a dime to the deficit. I encourage my colleagues to support this amendment as well as the underlying legislation, and I reserve the balance of my time.
The gentleman reserves. For what purpose does the gentleman from Texas